In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator. So on your sidebar, go and click on apps, and we'll be searching for DALL-E, enter, generate realistic images and art using AI. Let's open it. Okay, so start with a detailed description. So what do we want this AI to generate for us? Okay, so maybe we can try to say something like music note, music notes with feet. Okay, and let's now try clicking generate. Oh, I actually didn't expect that result. That's not what I want to see. Okay, let us click this one. No, no, I don't like it. Let us try generating again, or maybe let's change our description. Music notes with feet walking. Generate again. Oh, hmm. This is still not what I am expecting, but yeah, this is fine. Well, that's how you can use Canva AI image generator. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.